everyone, we are Baden Dreams. In this video, you will learn how to pick the colors of your logo. Do you recall from our first video the color of many of the Baden Academy logos?
Ooh, red, red.
Right, Maya, the Baden Academy logos are red and white. A lot of the Fellows Project logos stay with those colors. The Baden Academy red has an RGB and hexadecimal code to help you match it perfectly.
What is an RGB and hexadecimal code?
Good question. To understand, we start with the cones in our eyes that see color and the LED lights on a digital screen that makes up the pixels of color. You can see red, green, and blue LED lights that make each pixel. Can you see the cones in my eye that reads color? There's a cone for red, one for green, and one for blue.
Oh, RGB, red, green, and blue.
Let's look at what happens to a color when we turn the volume up on our different LEDs. There are over 16 million combinations that make unique colors.
But what about the hexadecimal code?
Instead of using 10 digits, this lets a computer use hex, or 16 digits.
Black, all red,
All green,
all blue, white.
But what if I want another color?
Good point. Sometimes you want to use the color of another organization that you work with, or you just don't like red. You may have a specific color from a website, picture, or partner organization. There are several tools to discover what they are.
The color picker is a tool that helps you discover the hex and RGB code of the color on your screen. There is also a color picker in Photoshop.
Or you may want to start with something unique.
You want your colors to pop. You can look at this color wheel and see what colors complement each other. That means they are on the opposite side of the wheel. You pair a warm color with a cool color. Let's take a look at some examples.
One of our favorite tools is Session College's color calculator. Let's pick my favorite color and see what the complement is.
Maria's favorite color is blue. Let's pick a blue in the color wheel. I can use the slider to the left to adjust the color value. That just turns down the brightness. Let me choose the analogous colors and play with the value until I find a combination Maria really likes. Can you tell? Maria likes the darker colors. Now that I found my combination, I click Get Color Scheme to find a selection I can copy and print. Find your style sheet template in your project research notebook. It should look like this. The template images and words will eventually be replaced with your logo, colors, fonts, and links. Right now, we are just replacing the colors. Go into Session, locate the snipping tool at the bottom of your screen, which should look like this. Copy your color scheme, but without the numbers listed in the CMYK section. Delete the color scheme on your style sheet and paste the new one in.
Some people believe that colors have feeling or represent emotions or even have an effect on people. For example, yellow represents positivity and happiness. Yellow also symbolizes caution.
Blue represents trustworthy, loyal, dependable, serene. Blue is also popular for banks, social media sites, cleaning projects, air, sky, water, and sea. And blue suppresses the appetite.
Green represents nature, growth, freshness, healing, safety, balance, and serenity. No, not that serenity. Red is the color of energy, passion, action, ambition, and determination.
Orange is the color of social communication and optimism.
Purple is the color of imagination. It can be creative.
You can look up what other people say colors represent. It changes in different cultures and different generations.
Our Baden Academy Colorful Kindergarten teacher just wrote a new book about how the colors make us feel. Tell us what colors you choose and stay tuned for our next video on free online logo making sites.
We can't wait to see what your logos become. Bye!